Alright, so it is dyno day for the Type R. We're actually going to a different tuner. Previous tuner was Mike Sweeney, but today we are going with Pepo. Some of you know him as Red Star Motoring. It's running a big turbo, Garrett G25-660, full bolt-ons, E40. We are at zperformances shop where Zoua is going to run the Type R on his dyno. Kind of interested to see what kind of power it's going to make. What's up, bro? How you doing?
What's up, boy?
Okay, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's ratchet time.
.495 horsepower, 401 torque.
Oh, okay.
Woo! One thing I forgot to mention that it's 103 right now in California. To make 500 in that weather is pretty crazy.
They made 523. My dad does be a little bit lower. So. Okay, so it's right then. It's like 550.
All right, so we just got back from a dyno, and so yeah, it was pretty good numbers. Basically tuning on 100 degrees. I say on if it was like 70 degrees, it should be making about 550, but also Zoua's dyno reads a little low. It's a really good thing that we put that down. It looks like now it's on meth. And this is the final numbers. 523 horsepower, 440 torque. So the turbo is pushing about 34 pounds of boost, which is pretty high. Right now we got the meth working, it's running properly. If it was 70 degrees, it should be about 550 to 560 horsepower. Even Pepo was saying that this is the hottest that he's tuned the car on. Oh, I also forgot to mention that the red line has been increased to 7,800. All right, so this is a little project going on for Adam. He's working on an EK with a K-swap. He's got a K24 in there. But then he did run into some problems. First one is, you know, buying this PLM shifter. Just do me a favor, don't cheap out on your parts. Like, he had issues with this. Couldn't even shift. Couldn't even put into gear. So we got to put this one on now. Man, I don't know. I can't deal with these older cars. Just a lot of stuff that goes into it. But you know, once it's done, it'll be a good build. So we got the fuel pump in already. It's got some coilovers. I don't know what brand. Thrown out anyways when you fire it up.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh yeah, you're right.
Race cars.
I'm gonna argue with you every day.
Exactly. For nothing.
Hey, who's right? You're wrong. I'm right.
For
wrong.
nothing.
Okay, we got the K-Pro in.
Do we do this street vehicle or what?
And base map, everything's basically already set up.
Base K24A2.
Just gonna see if it starts up and hopefully the engine's healthy. Got a little bit of transmission work going on.
I know. I'm trying to say like it's
For the IG.
Take that photo. Okay, put in IG. All right, I see you. All right, what do you gotta say to Chris?
Fucking Chris, little bitch.
So what's going on, Shredder? What are you doing?
Just doing some caveman stuff.
What's that piece right there called?
What?
We got a little Gear X upgrade right here.
6 pumps.
Yeah, the
These beefy
ACT.
gears.
They ain't gonna hold.
These are really beefy right here.
Fuck that fucking, I can't drive that shit, I keep stalling. The fucking twin disc.
You got the stock gears right here.
You guess I gotta use it.
The transmission's all.
Stay there, talk.
So it's alright?
That was crazy.
Yeah, we also got some new synchros that's going into the transmission.
$4,000 tranny right now.
That's pretty common though, right?
No. That's just this guy trying to go all out.
Wait, but if you don't,
He's got something to prove, man.
you gotta.
know.
If you don't know that right, you
I don't got
gotta
nothing
source
to
it,
prove.
right?
I'm trying to troll.
You can buy used ones or what?
You could, but that's the thing is he's just doing. It's like insurance because he knows that it's getting built, and everything that he put in there is gonna be in there.
Put it this way, we don't have to open this up.
It's so that we can blame somebody. That's how it works.
That's the thing with building stuff for other people.
I know that by the time it gets
When
to
something
me,
goes wrong, they build it or they blame it on you.
Exactly.
Nah, we're doing shredder.
No, that's why Zaz's brother don't want to. Philip don't want.
Hey, if something's wrong with my car shredder, I'm gonna blame it on you.
That's what we're paying you to do.
Yeah.
So this
put
is
the blame on me.
So he likes that shit, dude. Don't worry, it's in good hands, man.
Yeah, we'll get it done. We'll get it done. That's all it is.
It fired up. So the motor's healthy.
This might not be the right way, but yeah.
No, it works.
I don't have a nice press or well, I do, but I'm trying to do this the fast way, but not.
No, it's your
So
way.
terrible,
You,
yeah.
you find your own way to do things.
Okay, you know what? This is actually the top secret way. You're not supposed to know.
For real. No, for real. You learn a few tricks. You learn a few tricks. What works for you is what
All
works
the
for you.
fast trannies are built by cavemen like me, somewhere in somewhere in the world.
One goal.
One go.
Don't go, right?
there's a reason why the EK's not done.